Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will be presenting about job aspects of engineering technologies. Our group consists of 5 members, which is Amira Arisha, Wan Amir Sham, Ahmad Hafizuddin, Aiman Afiq, and Salma Raimi Nazura. For introduction as engineering technologies, engineering is the practical application of science and mathematics to solve problems. Engineering technologies improve the ways that we work, communicate, travel, stay healthy, and entertain ourselves. The difference between engineering and engineering technologies. Engineering based on conceptual skills. Engineering technologies mostly on application. Engineering built on foundation of complex mathematics and science courses. Engineering technologies is the introductory mathematics and science courses. Engineering is a sequence of engineering fundamental and design courses, while engineering technologies is the qualitative introduction to engineering fundamental. Engineering function as designers, and engineering technologies is to apply others' design.
For job aspect, technologies are employed in a wide array of industries and areas, from product development, manufacturing, technology operation, and maintenance. Besides, the technologists may also be managers, depending on the technologist's experience and educational emphasis on management. The entry-level positions relating in various ways to product design, testing, product development, systems development, field engineering, technical operations, and quality control are common for engineering technology graduates. Next, in general, the work of engineering technologists focus more often on practical application of engineered product and processes for a range of purposes. The differences between technologists and engineers is the technologists works more on practical, while the work of engineers emphasizes application of math and science for design and development purposes.
So next is issue in technology's career. So the first issue is change in technology. Advancing digital imaging and measurement system, for example, have automated tasks that technicians once did manually, reducing the number of positions required. For those who do get a job, it will be important to keep abreast of any new development. This means that you may need to constantly learn and relearn how to use the latest tools. Those who don't keep update could find their job prospect limited. Next is fear. Technologists may fear when doing their jobs. This is because they don't know their knowledge doesn't enough for the job, and they also will afraid if losing their job, and maybe they have some punishment and bad consequence. So next is ignorance. So many people get this have this kind of ethic. So ignorance is not always a good excuse, because it will harm other people too. This is because the technologies want to turn away from the information of to avoid dealing the challenge.
For the next slide is about contribution of technologies into society. So for the first contribution is about revolution of mobile phone. So as we already know, the mobile phone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1940. This mobile phone allowed passengers to place call only in route at 160 kilometers per hour. Imagine that limitation during that time. So as we nowadays, the phone technology will upgraded to time, and this nowadays technology, we can see a lot of great features such as very good camera, face ID unlock, fingerprint, and so on. So for the next slide, the revolution of public transport. So as we already know, from the past, people use basic transportation such as bullock cart as their main transport. Nowadays, we can enjoy varieties of public transportation such as train, aeroplane, bus, and many more. So if I touch a bit about train nowadays, from the past we use the steam train, and nowadays the bullet train, a very fast speed train, was invented, and people can just go around their corner very fast. So next, for the last contribution of technologies to society, which is food technology industry. A long time ago, people, as we know, just ate whatever they found around them without thinking nutrient content in the food, dangerous or not. So the power of food technologies nowadays, we already know in terms of maintaining the food quality, process the raw material from the basic food until a very healthy and useful such as pill and supplement, and also improve regarding packaging for more safety and for the food for last longer, and a lot more factor. So this technology is totally helpful because we usually eat every day, and with this help of technologies, we can maintain our healthy a lot. So that's all from contribution of technologies to society.
Okay, so in this video we have covered about the job aspect, potential issues, and the contributions of engineering technologies towards society. Okay, in job aspects, new technologies will be needed to respond to the changing needs of humanity, including improvements to existing technologies due to the rapidly changing nature of the new world. While industrial duties range, the technology's responsibilities are close to that of an engineer, and often they work alongside engineers. In other words, technologist is the person who will make the idea or design of an engineer to come to life. Okay, so we go on to the potential issues. So the present and future engineering technologies are challenged to think issues through and to come to their own way of overcoming these issues that have been stated earlier. So the contributions of engineering technologies. Okay, this society has owed a lot to the engineering technologies. Without the engineering technologies, new technologies would not have been invented to ease and improve the efficiency of a work. Therefore, all engineering technologies plays an important role to the society. Without engineering technologies, the world would not have been like it is today. So, thank you. That's all from us.